Hello! Welcome sa ating video tutorial. So ngayon ang pag-aaralan natin is kung paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation. So let's say meron tayong example dito. Solve x times the quantity of x minus 4 is equal to 12. So ang first na step natin is transform muna natin yung given equation into standard form para malaman natin kung quadratic equation ba talaga yung given. Okay, so dito, paano natin i-transform into quadratic equation? So, we have the given x times the quantity of x minus 4. Alisin natin yung grouping symbol by using yung distribution property natin. So, i-distribute natin yung x doon sa mga terms na nasa loob ng grouping symbol, which is yung parenthesis. So, x times x is x squared. Tapos, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Then, is equal to 12. Copy lang natin yung positive 12. Okay? Then, next is transform natin into standard form pa rin. So, dapat yung equation is equal sa 0 para maging standard form siya. So, x squared minus 4x. Okay? Then, yung 12, dapat mapunta siya dun sa left side ng equation. So, paano natin gagawin yun is we use the addition property of equality, which is i-add natin kung ano yung opposite nung eliminate natin dun sa right side ng equation. So, in this case, positive 12 yan. So, i-add natin is yung opposite ng positive 12, which is negative 12. So, plus negative 12 is equal to 12 plus negative 12. Okay? So, kung matatandaan natin, kung ano yung in-add natin dun sa isang side ng equation is yun din ang i-add natin dun sa isa pang side ng equation para maging balance yung equation. Okay? So, perform natin yung operation. Simplify natin. So, we have x squared minus 4x. Then, positive times negative is negative 12. Then is equal to 12 plus negative 12 is 0. Okay? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, is yung x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Nasa standard form na siya. And yung equation natin is a quadratic equation. Okay? The next step is we choose what method we are going to use. Okay? So, dito, ang gagamitin natin is factoring. So, ano ba yung mga factors nung trinomial? So, we have the factors of x squared minus 4x minus 12 is x minus 6 and x minus plus 2 is equal to 0. After natin ma-factor, gamitin natin yung zero product property, which is if a times b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. So, biglang sabihin nun, paghiwalayin natin yung dalawang factors na yun. Okay, so we have x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then applying the properties of equality, so we have x is equal to positive 6. Okay, so mag-add tayo ng opposite niya. Okay, the next is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to negative 2. So, meron na tayong dalawang values ng x. So, the values of x on the equation is x is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 2. So, masasabi natin na ang solution set niya ay is equal to positive 6 and negative 2. Okay? So kung may mga tanong kayo, type lang sa comment box. Thank you.